especially Doyal Chandra Burman Dada. He's an outstanding man. Actually, I'm also inspired by him. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Hope that all of you are doing great, and I'm so fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. Good afternoon, and you're watching. It's me, Imran, from Netrakona district. Actually, after completing a tuition, I have I have got some time, so I have decided that I should visit the area because the area is very fantastic, as you can see, and the afternoon is very well than other afternoon because it's cold time, and I mean it's winter season. In winter season, we don't get a good environment for the cause of cold and fog. So you are watching a beautiful scenery behind me, my dear viewers. You are watching a big pond in front of me, and I'm talking beside this pond. And you are also watching the scenery. Actually, there are a lot of fishes are cultivated by man, and there are a lot of business. And around the pond, there are a lot of banana tree. And my dear viewers, when I get some free time, I just try to speak English in front of camera, and as you I am talking in front of you, and thus I'm developing myself in English language. But it's not possible if I have a shyness and a nervousness always. And you can ask me that question, that how can we make a video, because we get fear when we talk in front of camera. It was very difficult to me to speak in front of camera, and by passing the time and practicing, I'm just able to speak something in front of camera fluently, and I don't get a fear when I talk in front of camera. It's the matter of practice. It's the matter of practice, and you can also practice in English language as I'm practicing, and regularly by practicing you can develop yourself in a good language. It's just a skill, nothing but other things. So if you wanna gain this skill attentively, it's possible because man can everything. And if you are man, actually you are also a true man, because both cannot watch video individually. So as you are man or girl, you have a confidence. You have a confidence. It's proved that you are watching my video, you are already a good speaker. But if you practice regularly, you will be a fluent speaker, and your fluency will be developed day by day. As I'm practicing English in a nice place, you can also go to your nice place, and there are a lot of beautiful place have available in your background, so you can just go there and you can practice your English regularly, and day by day you will be updating yourself, and it's possible. It's not a impossible things. You are watching that already. There are a lot of boy and men is available in our country that they have no any educational background or any academic knowledge, but they can speak English fluently. It's a matter of practicing, and they have confidence, and they have a confidential power. As a result, they are able to speak English. And I can give an example, especially Doyal Chandra Burman Dada. He's an outstanding man. Actually, I'm also inspired by him, and there are also Probir Pahan and Jahed Talukdar, who is studying in English department at Comilla University, and I'm regularly watching their videos, and I'm getting a lot of instructions and strategy. How can I remove my shyness from my life? Because shyness is very obstacle and very problem to you, and if you have a lot of problems and obstacles, you won't be able to speak something in front of camera, even in front of the public. So to remove this shyness, you have to be very confidential person, very confident person.